Organic farming, just like any other thing, has its pros and cons. Today we'll discuss some of them. Let's start with the pros of the organic farming. Number 1 is the plants they grow do not contain any GMOs. This means that farmers do not use genetic engineering to make their food better. The food we get as a result of the organic farming has better taste and is safe. Organic farming is not harmful for the environment, but at the same time it takes a lot of human effort, and the food we get is really expensive because of that. On the other hand, machines that are used in farming make the life of farmers easier, and the food grown that way is cheaper. This way is quite harmful for the environment. To talk about different types of farming, we need some words. Beneficial – полезный. Combat – бороться. Crop – урожай. Ecosystem – экосистема. Environment – окружающая среда. Farmer – фермер. Fertilizer – удобрение. Field – поле. Flame – пламя. Green fly – тля. Insect – насекомое. Insecticide – препарат для уничтожения насекомых, инсектицид. Intensive – интенсивный. Ladybird – божья коровка. Machinery – техника, машины. Maintain – содержать. Man-made – сделанный человеком. Method – метод. Natural – естественный, натуральный. Nutrient – питательное вещество. Organic farming – органическое земледелие. Peel – кожура, очистки. Peelings – шелуха. Pest control – борьба с вредителями. Pesticide – пестицид, ядохимикат. Plant – растение. Produce – производить. Reduce – уменьшать. Richness – плодородие, богатство. Rotating – сменять одну сельскохозяйственную культуру на другую. Spray – распылять, опрыскивать. Tool – инструмент. Tractor – трактор. Weed – сорняк.